to rain such kind of rain, literally in no time the whole world gets deluged, drowned by water. So not all the time this cloud can come and give rain, only for special occasion. So he gave order, let Sambartak Meg loose. Indra is the king, everyone has to listen. Hey Vayu, God of wind, chalo saath mein. Tufan dena. We have to give a hurricane. I am going also with my Bajra, lightning and thunder, my weapon. And so, with Samvartak, Meg, that cloud that brings brings the end of the Yug, and the Vayu blowing like a hurricane, Indra on his Airavat went and started raining on Braj. Musaladhar. The kind of raindrops, people say it's raining bucket to drop. You never see bucket drop rain. Right? When it's raining really heavy, they say it's raining bucket drop. But there's still small little drop. A lot of it, that's all. But this Musal, long ago, there was no rice factory and all of that. So you to pound the rice. So there was a mortar and a pestle. Okri and Musal. So this Musal, the mouth is big like this. The head, it's a long column, and you palm. The raindrops were falling, Musal, like that. One drop. That kind of raindrops. Very quickly, houses have been swept away, the trees, animals. अब सब गए कन्हैया के पास. अब जब भी आपको सुनते हैं ना, देखो यही होते हैं. They all went to Kanhaiya. Whenever we listen to you, this is what happens. We get in trouble. Aap kuch karo. Now do something. A little boy, they're telling this. Kanhaiya ne kaha, theek hai, okay. So Kanhaiya said, let's go. We just worship Govardhan. हमने गोवर्धन की पूजा की अभी अभी. Let's go. Govardhan is going to protect us. You saw Govardhan took a form. If anyone neglects Govardhan, he will finish them. Do not neglect Govardhan. Let's go to Govardhan. He will protect us. So they all went. All the cowherds and the gopis, the milkwomen, the cowherds, Kanhaiya, Nanda Baba, Yashoda, everyone, all the cows, everyone went. Kanhaiya took his left hand, बाएं हाथ, and with his little finger, he lifted up Govardhan mountain. Held it up. The tip of the little finger. Held it up. Just like a child would uproot a little mushroom. In play, ऐसे खेल में. Uplifted. And now Indra is raining. 7 दिन 7 रात तक. For 7 days and 7 nights, Indra kept raining. That kind of rain. And the wind is blowing. और यहाँ कोई किसी को भूख प्यास नहीं. I mean, 7 minutes and we get hungry. Some of us are already hungry here. But there's some of us sleeping, really sleeping. Now, since I started, there's a lady sleeping and she's still sleeping. We wake last night, I know. No problem. Someone should wake up. So, 7 days and 7 nights, nobody's hungry. Nobody is thirsty. Ab Kanhaiya, Bhagwan, with his yoga, Maya, he made everyone felt, I have eaten the best food. I have drank all the best milk. I'm drinking milk. I'm eating. No one is thinking about food or anything. Everyone is in bliss. Anand, Anand. The cowherd boys, see, they saw Kanhaiya holding up this mountain with a little finger. They thought, ye Kanhaiya, ye kya soch rahe hai? What is he thinking? Thousands of people here, and if that mountain fall, everybody dies. Not only that, while Kanhaiya was holding up this Govardhan, Radha Rani came. और राधा रानी को देख के तो हिलने लगे. While Kanhaiya was holding up Govardhan, Radha Rani came in front. Everybody comes. Radha Rani also came. Seeing Radha Rani, he went and bowed. So the cowherd boys, they all took their lathi. They all took their sticks and they went and if you look at the picture, you will see they took their stick and they started propping up Govardhan. And now they are saying that they're calling him Giridhar. Giridhari, one who upholds the Giri mountain. We should be called Giridhari, not him. And Kanhaiya is laughing in his mind. He doesn't want him to know. He's fine with that. I don't want him to think I'm a Bhagwan. So he wants everybody to think, yes, me with my friends is holding up this thing. Not only Kanhaiya. They all helping me to hold up Govardhan. It's a huge mountain. Indra, after 7 days and 7 nights, realized this is a little boy holding up a huge mountain. I can't hold up a mountain. This could not be a boy. यही हमारे पिता है. This is my father, Bhagwan. He told everyone, आप ये बंद करो, वापस जा सब स्वर्ग. He told everyone, stop now, stop, go back to heaven. और कन्हैया के पैर में गिर गए, रोने लगे. He fell at the feet of Kanhaiya, crying, please forgive me. All his pride was destroyed. With the first line we sang, na? Mad Mardan. Destroyed the pride. Bhagwan Krishna would one thing he doesn't like, mad, pride, abhiman. If all of us here, we are satsangi, we are doing bhakti, we are told the very first thing when you're doing bhakti, trinadapi sunichena, tarorapi sahishnuna, amanina manadena, kirtaniya sadaharihi. Gaurang Mahaprabhu says in the Shikshastak, the very first verse. You want to do bhakti, you want to worship God, you want to be spiritual, first thing, become humbler than a blade of grass. One thing Kanhaiya doesn't like, pride, ego. We have to destroy that ego. Ahankar, nikal do. Don't approach Bhagwan with pride that I have some money, I have some beauty, I have some wealth, I have some position. I have some bhakti, nobody can cry like me. Yeah, that is a pride also too. That you should not have. If one tear comes in your eye for Bhagwan, for Guru, which you could not have done, don't think I did this. It's only through Maharaji's grace, Guru grace, I am able to shed this tear. So that pride doesn't come. And that's a fact. We could not shed tears for Hari Guru if Maharaji didn't shower his grace upon us. Impossible. Any kind of experience you get, trembling, kampan, tears flowing in the eyes, goosebump horripilation, ये सब Guru Kripa hai. This is all through grace of Guru alone. So pride shouldn't come. We call Radha Rani Dinanath, Krishna Dinanath, Dina Bandhu, friend of the humble. If we want Radha Rani, we want Maharaji Shri Krishna Girdhari, Girdhar to be our friend, then we have to be humble. तो चूर्ण हो गया. He destroyed the pride of Indra. और सबके ये सीख लिया कि भगवान का ही भक्ति करना ही, and all attained the lesson that we have to worship only Shri Krishna. Only Shri Krishna means, doesn't mean only the form Shri Krishna. भगवान का अनंत नाम अनंत रूप है. भगवान के पास 6 चीजें हैं. 6. भगवान has 6 things in his possession. नाम, रूप, लीला, गुण, धाम, संत. Naam, name of God, uncountable. Roop, his forms, uncountable. The Veda says, Anantanam Rupaya, uncountable names, uncountable form. Leela, divine pastimes, infinite, uncountable. Gun, his virtues, infinite, uncountable. Dham, divine abodes, infinite, uncountable. Saint, uncountable. Any one of these, we focus our mind, we are Ananya. सब में सब रहते हैं. In all of them, all reside. All. और वही लाभ मिलेगा. We'll get the same benefit if we focus on any one of these 6. We'll be Ananya. Don't go outside of that. This is all Bhagwan means. So anyway, in the area of Bhagwan, we are Ananya. This is the teaching of this is the main teaching of Govardhan Puja. That we have to worship Shri Krishna exclusively. यही लीला इसलिए किया. This is why Bhagwan performed this divine Leela of Govardhan Leela to teach us that we have to worship Shri Krishna, Radha Krishna, the saint, exclusively. Ananya Bhakti, Ananya Prem. Then we would have done Govardhan Puja. If we just put 108 food and we just do parikrama and jump and dance, and then no. It's good, okay, but we didn't really understand the true meaning of Govardhan Puja. All right, so in brief, there's much more, but time, and I want to sing some more of the lines of this beautiful bhajan. With some of the things I've told you is there also too. So we'll continue singing some of these lines, and I hope that now we have, many of you would have heard before also to your satsangi. But we get more and more, we have to listen again and again. And those who haven't, that you have gotten a clear idea now as to what is Govardhan Puja. What is the true meaning and the significance, and why we are celebrating Govardhan Puja today. Bole Giriraj Maharaj ki! Yay. So we continue. Dwapar Yug Maha Giri Govardhan Kiye Swarg Samrat Indra Mad Mardan.
द्वापर युग महा गिरि गोवर्धन किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र माद मर्दन.
The first verse, which we sang before, it says that Govardhan, Giriraj, is Kanhaiya Shri Krishna, and Shri Krishna is Govardhan. So when we say Giriraj Maharaj ki jai, we are talking about Shri Krishna mountain, okay? And we should all get together and worship Govardhan, sing the praises of Govardhan, and who is Shri Krishna and Kanhaiya. They are one and the same. Sab mili bolo jai गिरि गोवर्धन
सब मिले
गिरिराज महाराज की
गिरि गोवर्धन
पुनि सब मिले बोलो जय नंद नंदन
पुनि सब मिले
वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की
जय नंद नंदन
ओ द्वापर युग मह गिरि गोवर्धन मिले किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन
द्वापर युग महा गिरि गोवर्धन किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन
गोवर्धन दिव्य दिव्य नंद नंदन
गोवर्धन दिव्य दिव्य नंद नंदन
देखे सोई जाको दिव्य दृष्टि दे रसिक जन
देखे सोई जाको दिव्य दृष्टि दे रसिक जन
ओ द्वापर युग मह गिरि गोवर्धन किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन
द्वापर
गिरिराज महाराज की
महा गिरि गोवर्धन किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन
जय जय गोवर्धन जय जय नंदन
जय
जय हो गिरिराज महाराज की
जय जय नंद नंदन
जय 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 रसिकन जन गोपी जन
जय 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 रसिकन गोपी जन
ओ द्वापर द्वापर युग मह गिरि गोवर्धन किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन
द्वापर युग महा गिरि गोवर्धन किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन
सात दिन सात किए इंद्र जल बरसन
सात दिन रात किए इंद्र जल बरसन
हरि ने उठाया अंगुरी न गोवर्धन
हरि ने उठाया अंगुरीन गोवर्धन
ओ द्वापर युग मह गिरि गोवर्धन किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन
द्वापर
गिरिराज महाराज की
गिरि गोवर्धन किए स्वर्ग
गिरी को उठाए बीते 7 दिन 7 रात।
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 हाथ दुबा दुआ जा गिरी ले दूजे हाथ।
हाथ दबा दू आजा गिरी ले दूजे हाथ।
ओ द्वापर युग मह गिरी गोवर्धन किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन।
द्वापर युग महागिरि गोवर्धन किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन।
गिरी को उठाया देखा राधा नंद नंदन।
गिरी को उठाया देखा राधा नंद नंदन।
ओ गिरी को उठाया देखा राधा नंद नंदन।
गिरी को उठाया देखा राधा नंद नंदन।
याते तनु कापा याते कापा गोवर्धन।
याते तनु कापा याते कापा गोवर्धन।
याते तनु कापा कापा याते तनु कापा याते कापा गोवर्धन।
याते तनु कापा याते कापा गोवर्धन।
द्वापर युग मह गिरी गोवर्धन किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन।
द्वापर युग महागिरि गोवर्धन किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन।
ओ द्वापर युग मह गिरी गोवर्धन किए इंद्र किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन।
द्वापर युग महागिरि गोवर्धन किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन।
हार मानी आया इंद्र धिग गोवर्धन।
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 अंगूठा दिखाए सब सखा नंद नंदन।
अंगूठा दिखावे
Angutha dikhaya, like this, eh? They did Indra like this. अंगूठा दिखावे सब सखा नंद नंदन,
अंगूठा दिखाए सब सखानंद नंदन।
वो द्वापर युग मह गिरि गोवर्धन, किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन।
द्वापर युग महा गिरि गोवर्धन, किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन।
नया नाम गिरिधारी पाया नंद नंदन,
नया नाम गिरिधारी पाया नंद नंदन।
नया नाम गिरिधारी पाया नंद नंदन।
नया नाम गिरिधारी पाया नंद नंदन।
बंद हुआ माइक सुरपति पूजन,
बंद हुआ माइक सुरपति पूजन।
ओ बंद हुआ माइक सुरपति पूजन,
बंद हुआ माइक सुरपति पूजन।
ओ द्वापर
जय हो।
युग मह, द्वापर युग मह गिरि गोवर्धन, किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन।
द्वापर युग महा गिरि गोवर्धन, किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन।
गिरिधर बजधर मुरली अधर कर,
गिरिधर ब्रजधर मुरली अधर धर।
ओ गिरिधर ब्रजधर मुरली अधर धर,
गिरिधर ब्रजधर मुरली अधर धर।
घर निधर उर धर पीतांबर,
धरणी धर उर धर पीतांबर।
ओ धर निधर उर धर पीतांबर,
धरणी धर उर धर पीतांबर।
ओ
जय हो।
द्वापर युग मह गिरि गोवर्धन, किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन।
द्वापर युग महा गिरि गोवर्धन, किए स्वर्ग सम्राट इंद्र मद मर्दन।
बोले गिरिराज महाराज की,
जय।
गिरिराज महाराज की।
जय।
बोले गिरिराज महाराज की. So, in a short while, we'll be celebrating Govardhan Puja. We'll be doing parikrama also, like the gopis and the cowherds, the Gauls did. A little more than 5,000 years ago, Shri Krishna also did. Right? But isn't this just walking around a mountain or something? We'll just be doing physical exercise. Right? Our mind has to focus. This is Kanhaiya, Shri Krishna. And the main lesson, we should never forget that Shri Krishna performed this Govardhan Leela to teach us exclusiveness, ananyata. That we should worship only Shri Krishna, no Devi, Devata, no celestial being, no worldly person, no those of neither regions, only Shri Krishna. Only, as I told you, 6 things. Anywhere our mind in that, it is exclusiveness. All right, so this is the whole reason that Shri Krishna performed this wonderful Govardhan Leela to teach this lesson to us and to the whole world and to everyone that we have to worship only Shri Krishna. There's more, we'll hear some other time. बोले गिरिराज महाराज की, श्रीमद सद्गुरु सरकार की, लाडली लाल की, सियावर रामचंद्र की, पवन सुत हनुमान की, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे.
Radhe Radhe everyone. Thank you Bhaiya for a wonderful satsang. Even when I'm not here, I'm listening upstairs whenever possible. I wouldn't miss it. So today we are celebrating Govardhan, as we know. But before that, what we are going to do is Aartis. And before that, there are 2 birthdays we'd like to celebrate today. There is Richa Kukreja, if you could come up, and Manu. So Richa comes to us from Tacoma, Washington. I've known her since she was a student in Vancouver, BC. And that's one of the places I go to preach. And she is a very fortunate soul whose parents are also in satsang. And she has gotten wonderful sanskars from her parents. She is now working as a physician in Tacoma, Washington. And one of her greatest joys in life is satsang. Her main joy in life is satsang. And so she has joined us for this 5-week-long retreat for as long as she could. She's leaving us today. But before leaving, it's wonderful that you wanted to celebrate your birthday with us. So on behalf of all of us, a very happy, long life filled with devotion, filled with seva, filled with love for Hari and Guru. Happy birthday. Then we have a little boy who has just gone into the double digits. He's 10 years old today. Can his parents join him, please? He comes to us from San Diego with his dad, Ajit, his mom, Priyanka, please come, and his older brother, his bhaiya, Ashirvad. Aajao. And we will be sharing a cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Radhe, 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 Radhe. Radhe, 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 Radhe. Radhe, 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 Radhe. Radhe, 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 Radhe. Radhe, 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 राधे 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 राधे।
बोलिए लाडली लाल की जय। What I didn't tell you about Manu is that he's also a very devotional little boy. He's also very fortunate to have parents and sibling, older brother, his older bhaiya, who they're all in satsang. They enjoy satsangs in San Diego. They just came here, just arrived last night. So welcome. Now, can Manu come over here to Shri Maharaji's shrine and do Aarti over there? Richa, you can do Aarti over there. Oh, yes. You can all come and do Aarti. Or you can go to Bhagwan Ram's shrine as well. Please stand for the 3 Aartis that we're doing.
आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। दुहुन सिर कनक मुकुट झलके दुहुन श्रुति कुंडल भल हलके। दुहुन दृग प्रेम सुधा छलके। जसीले बैन रसीले नैन घसीले सैन। दुहुन मैनन मनहारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। दुहुन दृग चितवनी परवारी। दुहुन लट लट कनी छवि न्यारी। दुहुन भामट कनी अति प्यारी। रसन मुख पान हसन मुस्कान। रसन दम खान दुहुन बेसर छवि न्यारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। एक उर पीतांबर फहरे। एक उर नीलांबर लहरे। दुहुन उर लर मोतिन छहरे। कंकनन खनक किंकिनी झनक नूपुरन भनक। दुहुन रुन झुन धुनि प्यारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। एक उर पीतांबर फहरे। एक सिर मोर मुकुट राजे। एक सिर चूनरी छवि छाजे। दुहुन सिर तिरछे भल भ्राजे। संग ब्रज बाल लाडली लाल बाह गल लाल। कृपालु दुहुन दृग चारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की के बनवारी नथवारी की। श्री राम श्री राम श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भजुमन। हरन भव भय दारुणम नव कंज कञ्जलोचन कञ्जमुखकर कञ्जपद कञ्जारुणं श्रीराम श्रीराम कन्दर्पयगणितयामित छविनव नीलनीरद सुन्दरं पटपीतमानहु तडितरुचि शुचि नौमि जनकसुतावरं पटपीतमानहु तडितरुचि शुचि नौमि जनकसुतावरं श्रीराम श्रीराम भजु दीनबन्धु दिनेश दानव दैत्यवंशनिकन्दनं रघुनन्दयानन्द कन्द कौशल चन्द दशरथनन्दनं रघुनन्दयानन्द कन्द कौशल चन्द दशरथनन्दनं श्रीराम श्रीराम सिरमुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु उदार अंग विभूषणम् आजानुभुज सर चापधर संग्राम जित कर दूषणम् आजानुभुज सर चापधर संग्राम जित कर दूषणम् श्रीराम श्रीराम इति वदति तुलसीदास शंकर शेषमुनिमनरञ्जनं मम हृदय कञ्च निवास कुरु कामादिखलदलगञ्जनं मम हृदय कञ्च निवास कुरु कामादिखलदलगञ्जनं श्रीराम श्रीराम श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भजुमन हरन भव भयदारुणं नव कञ्जलोचन कञ्जमुखकर कञ्जपद कञ्जारुणं श्रीराम 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 बोलिए सियापति रामचंद्र की पवन सुत हनुमान की लाडली लाल की वृंदावन बिहारी श्री कृष्ण भगवान की जगत गुरु उत्तम श्री कृपालु महाप्रभु की युगल कुंज की जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे।
Radhe Radhe, please listen to the safety announcement, after which we will proceed outside for Govardhan Puja and offering of bhog. Safety announcement. Radhe, I guess we don't have the safety announcement today. Basically, it's all about being safe and following the safety rules. That is now after, when we just will come to take Aarti, please do not bow down on the ground, on the carpet, or at Sri Maharajji's lotus feet. Just kind of do that in the air because of safety precautions. Also, when you go to the dining hall after some time, after we've celebrated Govardhan, then do not move the chairs that are there because they are there keeping the distancing in mind. So do not move the chairs, just sit wherever the chair is. And one person at a time in the shoe room to get your shoes, and maximum 1 or 2 people in the restrooms at one time. I don't know if it's anything else. Where's the safety girl? Oh yes, wash your hands after, of course, getting your shoes and so on. And even when you go into the dining hall, you may have washed them outside, but again, you have touched many door handles on your way to the dining hall. So we have 2 sinks over there. You can use either one of them in the dining hall. And there's soap there, everything is there. So please do wash your hands before you go to take your prasad. And when you go to take prasad, there are these stickers there. Please stand on the stickers. Thank you. Radhe Radhe. Please come take Aarti. We'll go outside after this.